In the content area of your Desire to Learn course, you will find a linear list of all the content that will be used in your course. Typically, this list will be divided into sections or modules, which group your content by topic or week. The Content tool has bookmarks, upcoming events, and a table of contents along the left side. Below that is a link to the individual modules. In most classes, the first two modules will be used for an online learning introduction and course information. The online introduction module is especially useful for first-time students. The course information module may include instructor information, a syllabus, a course calendar, and an introductory quiz or assignment that is required. Be sure to review the information during the first week of your class. Remember, each online course is unique and content organization can vary. Items in your content list can include different types of files or links to other tools in Desire to Learn. Within a course module, you may find links to text documents for required reading, a website or online video, a discussion topic with instructions for required discussion posts, and even quiz and Dropbox assignments. As you work your way through the term, you will work through a list of the content. You may find that some content does not display until the week you should be working on it. Your instructor can set access dates to specific content modules so that they open and close to a student based on the assignment due dates, course calendar, or upon completion of the previous module. Navigating through the content can be done by clicking the individual links or moving from item to item using the built-in navigation. If you are in one content item, you can use the previous and next items to move back and forth within the module's content. If you find that the content is not fitting within the page, you can click the pop-out button to have the content open in a new window. You can always get back to the table of contents by clicking on the table of contents breadcrumb at the top or clicking on content in the navbar. Next to each item in the content area, you may see a small dot, a check mark, or a box that indicates whether you have viewed or completed that topic. Some topics automatically change to a check mark after you viewed them. And some topics you need to manually check to indicate that you've completed the activity or the topic. At the top of the content area, you'll see a bar that indicates your overall progress through that module. This is a great way to track which items you have viewed. If you find an important item that you would like to review later, you can click on the Bookmark tool while viewing that item. Now, when you're in the table of contents, you can go to Bookmarks and have quick access to that item. If an instructor has set content items to have start and end dates, you may be able to view the upcoming assignments in the upcoming events area. Not all instructors use this feature, however, and you should rely on the course calendar that the instructor identifies in the first week of the term.